this is the first time ever that Nike is bringing back the Air Max 1 Aqua, which was a women's specific colorway that was released in 88, 87. This time they're bringing the shoe back for the anniversary of the sneaker and for Air Max month, if you may, in the Aqua colorway for men. So you can see it has the anniversary Air Max 1 box. You guys are familiar with this. We've done a few review with this box right here, which is a nice simple Air Max 1 anniversary box with the Nike Air at the top over here. That says anniversary, and obviously your size tag right over here. If you want, I could read the official colors. It's white, aqua, neutral gray, and black. So you got the anniversary details on the inside of the box right there, and then the shoe takes on your classic Air Max 1 materials, which is a really cool look. I love seeing Air Max 1 in classic materials, especially when they remastered this one. A lot of people were complaining that Air Max 1 toe boxes were really boxy. This time around, they kind of like rounded it off closer to the original at the front over here, which is cool. And this is your Aqua Air Max 1. Let's start by reviewing the outsole. As you can see, you got your classic Air Max 1 outsole, black, white, and that aqua colorway as well. Midsole features the all white midsole, obviously with the Visair on the back there. Upper part of the shoe has a nubuck / mesh and nylon design material used on the upper. So you got the nubuck on the toe box and that baby blue colorway, as well as on the swoosh and on the heel. Then you got your gray on the side panel and on the heel as well of the shoe. Then you got obviously your mesh on the toe box, and then nylon right around the collar of the sneaker right there. And then you got your Nike Air on the heel of the sneaker in that purple colorway, which is a nice little pop. Obviously your Nike Air tag that comes with it, an extra set of laces that you could switch instead of these nylon laces. Got that soft nylon tongue along with your Nike Air at the top of the tongue right there. So that's your Aqua Air Max 1s. Let's look at what these shoes look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Aqua Air Max 1 anniversaries look like on feet. We did do an unboxing video to this shoe, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely go ahead and check that out. Yeah, these fit true to size, and obviously Air Max 1s, you know how I feel about Air Max 1s, especially the OG ones. They feel real nice on feet, and they are a little bit narrow. I do have a wide foot, so maybe consider going half a size up, but once you're in there, it feels actually pretty nice. So yeah, this is what the Aqua colorway of the Air Max 1s look like on feet. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe right here in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and also hit the bell so that you won't miss any upcoming reviews. That's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Catch you on the next one.